Hello guys, this is Miss Eggman. What are we going to do today? We're going to do for Business Math 2, the lesson 10.4. It is, remember in this lesson we buy in a house, okay? So we're learning on this chapter everything you have to know about buying a house. In this lesson we're going to learn to the allocation of that monthly payment. What is the objective for this lesson? It is the student will be able to compute the allocation of the monthly payment to the principal and interest and the new principal. And you're like, what that means? It means, first we're going to learn what is allocate. Allocate is to set apart. What that means? Okay guys, when we do the monthly payments to the house, and you said, okay, so the house cost me $30,000 and I'm paying $1,000 a month. So the next month I owed $129,000. No. Okay, so that's why it takes us many years to complete the house, to pay the whole house. Okay, so why? Because they use the allocate to set apart. One of the what we pay do the monthly payment, one part of the monthly payment goes to the interest and the other one goes to the principal. So you need some tissues because we're going to start crying once you guys know what part of the monthly payment it goes to the principal. Because I said, it is going to be a tiny little part of the whole monthly, payment that we do, it goes to the principal. On the example, I'm sorry guys, I'm going to grab my paper. It says here, Lyle and Kathleen Stevens have been granted a mortgage loan. Granted, it means, they've been accepted to for the mortgage loan. So they bought a house for $135,000 at an annual interest rate of 7.5% for 25 years. Their monthly payment it is $997.65. So what is the first thing that I have to find? It is the interest. Okay, to find the interest, it is going to be my principal times the rate times the time. So how am I going to do this? So which one is the principal, guys? The principal that she or they, what is the principal? Is the value of the house. So they got a principal of $135,000. Which one is the rate? They said it was what? 7.5%. The shortcut, guys. I'm not going to stress about it. Just divide by 100. It is a percentage. I need it as a decimal. So it's going to be 0.075. Okay? So I'm going to multiply by 0.075 times the time. Pay attention on this one. It is always going to be 1/12 because this one is going to be my monthly payment. Okay, so after I multiply, and remember this one, guys, every time that I have a fraction, it means division. What am I going to do first? I'm going to start from right to left. I'm going to do 1 divided by 12, then I multiply by 0.075, then multiply by 135,000, which is 843.75. That one, guys, it is my interest. Okay, so step number 2. What am I going to do? I'm going to find the payment to principal. This is the part that you said, holy guacamole. For real, that is what the only amount that goes to the principal? Yes, guys, that is the only one. So what am I going to do? it is the monthly payment. And how much it says over there, I believe that it was $997.65. That is my monthly payment plus the interest, guys. So it is going to be $483.75. So I'm sorry. It's minus. Sorry. Okay. So what is the amount that goes to the principal? 153.90. Okay. You are paying to the bank, well, they're paying to the bank almost $1,000, and only 153.90 it goes to the principal. Is the payment to principal. Okay. And in step number 3, I'm going to find my new principal. What is my new principal now? After I'm paying, do my first monthly payment, I'm gonna grab my principal. So it was 135,000 minus this amount, 153.90, which is the payment to the principal. And they, after the first payment, they owe still 134,846.10, which is this one. It is my new principal. And that's, guys, how we realize that we can pay the house in 5 years or 2 years, like the car. That's why it takes us, 15, 20, 25 years, even 30 years to pay the house, because it's only a tiny little amount of your monthly payment. It goes to the principal. Okay? So you have any questions, text me, call me, or email me. Okay? So I need, guys, the package that we did, that I already sent it to you, the first, packet that we sent it to you. I need you guys to return it at a school, or there is a big garbage can that is outside the school, and you can just drop it off over there. Okay? Have a good day, guys, and stay out of trouble. Bye, guys.